Oh my goodness, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, wow.
One way to get my landscaping rocks. Okay, how about that one?
No, you're not kidding me. Holy buckets.
Well, day 9 is a rain out. I was just fueling up the machine, and we got rain last night, but all right, next phase for the pond. We're going to stage the excavator in a couple of different areas for big rocks and medium-sized rocks for fish rock piles. So Sharon's done with work. We're gonna go to the north end where we got big rocks first. She's gonna show me the ones I gotta save for her, and then tomorrow I'll take the high lifter out there and get a couple loads of big rocks. Nice. Oh, we got tassels starting up here, baby. Woo! Just starting. About a half-mile ride to the trailhead with the big rocks. Woo! Just hit the woods on the North Ridge. It's beautiful up in here. Very pretty. Oh! Dadgummit. Ran over a branch. This was an overflow plot I cut the first year. Very nice. Almost there. A few hundred more yards to go.
Okay, so the first mission was Sharon wanted me to pick out some landscape rocks for her to set aside before I start getting bass fishing and catfish rocks for the pond. So that's what we're doing right now. She's picking out some nice landscape boulders, which ain't gonna go the greatest, but it's step number 1.
It's sandstone, falls apart pretty easy. One way to get my landscaping rocks. See, I'm making him think he's getting just his pond stuff, and I'm just mixing this in, you know, on the side. Okay, how about that one?
You want that one too?
If we can get it.
What do you mean if we can get it? This is me here.
Here, let me push it out. So I told Joe the other day I wanted to get some, I don't know, lawn decorations or lawn decor. And I don't know. I guess I should have been more specific. Not exactly what I was thinking of, Joe.
You got some pond visitors on the new pond. It's not even got water yet. Nice. Got our first little rain in here after the inside is done, and we got our first little puddle. I was hoping we'd have more than that, but it did not rain much, and this stuff is all dried, so it's thirsty.
Well, day 9 is a rain out. I was just fueling up the machine, and we got rain last night, but the dirt I could work with is dry underneath. But now I just got stuck in a downpour. So, rain out for day 9. Or 10 or whatever. I skip a few days in between, but these are actual work days. All right, we've been getting rain. We had rain all last night. I just hopped in the machine. I was going to get back to work today on the pond, and we had another downpour. So it quit for a minute. Let's see if we got any water in the pond yet. Thank goodness I got the inside wrapped up anyways. And they're calling for rain all day today. Today's like July 11th or 12th. Oh my goodness, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, wow. No, you're not kidding me. Holy buckets. Oh my goodness. You are... Oh, wow. That's crazy. Well, I guess we do get plenty of runoff from this hillside. Holy cats. Hey guys, Capper here. Welcome back. So we're going to post all this stuff in order the way it happens, but it might not seem like it if you're a regular to our channel. We appreciate it. So this pond is far from being done. If you look in the background there, I don't even have the pond dam done. I don't have the black dirt on it. I don't have it planted. I don't have it graded. None of that. And we got pummeled with rain. So if you like this stuff, I will put it up in order as it happens so you can join us on this cool journey. This is my biggest pond ever. Half acre. Oh, it's been fun and it's looking really good. So anyways, it may seem out of order, but it won't be. Just we're documenting it as it happens in chronological order. Let's get back to it. Thanks. Them 2 deep holes right now are probably 2 foot deep already. Daggone it, man. I wanted to get all this planted with some weed or something to hold them shorelines, but it's compacted, so that's going to help the erosion. I see some erosion over here on this side where all the water's coming in. Look at this erosion here. Daggone it. Man, the rain snuck up fast. Well, hopefully I got enough red clay, because you see up here it's taken off my red clay. But oh wow, this thing might be full here in a week. Jeesh. All right, well, I got to get going on rock piles. Man, oh man. All right, hopefully it dries up, but they're calling for more rain in the next few days. All right, here's the second look for today. Looks higher to me than it did earlier this morning. Hopefully the sun stays out today where I can put them rocks in and maybe repack some red clay up in this corner and that washout right about there. But it's looking good far as if it's going to hold or not, that's for sure. That's really good.